You have to recan it and sterilize it. I got a pressure cooking for you.
We do the best we can do to serve 2,000 people.
I understand the pressure. I'm not saying you're not trying, but I'm telling you it's
What I'm saying, we don't need one person to tell us how to run this place.
Well, you'll have the health department here telling you how to run the place. Or shutting you down. I don't see you shut down. You understand? I like you people.
If you get low enough to call them, call them. That's all I can say.
It's not low enough, man. If you're low enough to serve botulism, that's as low as you can be. That's the low part. You understand? That's the low part.
That's up to you.
I can call the cops.
Call them. I mean, we're a non-profit organization here.
You're a food service organization.
I know what we are.
Every food, and I sent you the laws on it. I sent the UT documentation. I sent you what lawyers would say about it, and you didn't want to listen to any of it. What's your name?
It don't matter what my name.
Oh, you don't. You asked me my name, but you don't want to say your name.
Yeah, because you kept going on about it.
Well, you're being video recorded right now.
I don't care.
Fine.
I really don't care.
But obviously you don't care.
We're doing the best we can do here to serve county.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
You go on. It don't matter to me.
I'll pick up my food. I'll feed it to the dogs. This is a pressure canner. The other guy's saying he don't care, and he'll serve botulism. You did.
I did not say I didn't care.
I got you on video, man.
I don't give a shit.
But hey, but I'm talking to her for a second. Y'all, health regulations say you have to pressure can anything you recan and distribute. All right, you'll kill people otherwise. I got pictures of botulism and things. I'm not trying to shut you down. I'm trying to save people's lives here.
Why are you the only one who complains about it? These other people's hungry. Don't.
I got people telling me there's sick families all at once after coming here. Instructions are in it. I don't know. The guys running things might be typical of running up the food chain line.